everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the Aussie dollar US dollar FX for Monday, September 16th, 2013. Well, a change of trend today. The candle we're analysing is this second last candle on the chart. The last candle hasn't finalised trading, but prior to today's trading we saw the market make a lower high and a lower low, and testing to the 92.21 level of previous resistance. Here we see how that area was very strong resistance for the market, and for the second consecutive trading day we saw the market find support at that 92.21. This highlights how previous resistance can turn into support, and the market today has bounced off there in a solid bullish manner. Some solid enthusiasm from the buyers today, setting up this gap which we call window and candlestick charting, and it's an area now that has the opportunity to provide support to the market, and very, very strong support. And already with this market as it's open trading for the next day's trading, we're seeing the market find support at the top of that level, so anywhere through to the bottom there may hold as very strong support for this market. We also have the market trading within the cloud, so a natural area of support based on Ichimoku as well. But looking at this current candle as it's finished trading, even though the trend has changed, it's not a solid bullish candle. We have a black body, so we have some momentum in net terms throughout the trading day has swung to the sellers because of the black body. We've seen the sellers make net bearish progress on the day between the open and the close. We've also seen the sellers close down towards the low, suggesting that the sellers have closed with control of this market. And we also saw the buyers lose commitment. We have this large shadow on the top of this candle, and the market interacted with the 93.86 level, a previous important level, and was strongly rejected from there. So moving forward, that is a very, very important level to this market if the market is going to trade higher. But with this solid rejection, we have seen a very strong battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. So initially, with this gap up, a rush of enthusiasm from the buyers. The buyers have really taken the market too high all in one move, and the sellers have come in and sold the market off, still not closing that gap and leaving that gap or that window open and the opportunity for it to act as support for this market. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and here we're examining the relationship of this new first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up, and we've seen the market rejected from the 38.2% level in a significant manner, also failing to close above the 23.6% level. This suggests that there is a very strong possibility of a change of trend of this market making a lower high and a lower low. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we're now in an expansive mode of that. We've traded through the 100% level, but we have been strongly rejected from that area, with the sellers taking control of this market and this large battle going on throughout the trading day, suggesting a possibility of a change of trend. So we will be looking for a potential lower high and lower low. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, obviously a market that's just on the brink of being bullish, being neutral by trading just at the top of the cloud, so a market that we don't have a lot of confidence in. We saw the market break out above the flat part of the cloud, and if you recall, very often I tell you to be aware of breakouts above a flat cloud. They can be false signals, and here we've seen the market for today's trading rejected from higher levels and closing back just at the top of the cloud, even slightly just within the cloud. In terms of the Kijun-sen, the pink line here, the market is trading up above the Kijun-sen, so we have a bullish market in the medium-term time frame, and that is pointing it's pointing up, and that's reflecting the solid upside momentum with this gap up that we saw, this window being established, so suggesting that this market may trade to higher levels. The flat part of this Kijun-sen can't be taken into consideration because it reflects the current candle that hasn't closed yet, so we don't know how that will finish. Looking at the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, that is below the price action, so suggesting that we still have a bullish market in that short-term time frame, and pointing up very sharply, still reflecting solid upside momentum that we've seen in this market, so not taking into account the short-term dynamics that we've seen in this candle today. Now, looking across at the Chikou span, that is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in the long-term time frame and in the fast time frame, the short-term time frame, and suggesting that this market may trade to higher levels. So a scenario here is that the market finds support within the cloud, especially somewhere around this window, bounces back up off the top of the cloud and trades back up to around this 93.86 level. 93.86 has the opportunity to hold as very strong resistance to this market. If we do see a solid bullish close up above there, we could quickly see the market trading up to 95.36. We don't have any decent resistance between those two levels, so a possibility of the market trading significantly higher if that does occur. But obviously a market that's going to be very interesting because of the establishment of this window and the solid support down below, but the solid resistance close by at 93.86.